What if I told you there was a super simple way to start a membership? If you have an existing business or even a brick and mortar store, it's even easier because all it takes is a subtle pivot to turn what you already know, love, and do into a profitable online business. But first, you need to get clear on why people join a membership site in the first place. And in this training, I'm going to teach you the 4 reasons why people join any membership. And it's not because they want access to content or a community. And speaking of content, what do you provide inside of your membership? And how do you provide it in a way that doesn't overwhelm your people or you? Nobody wants to be stuck on a content treadmill, and in this training, I'm going to show you what to provide to create an ultra sticky membership site that people don't ever want to leave. Plus, I'm also going to show you the #1 component that all memberships must include. Without it, your members will struggle to make progress, but with it, they'll thrive. Remember, as a membership site owner, we get paid based on our ability to keep people happy. And a huge predictor of their happiness is them making progress. If they're getting results, they'll stay. And what I'm going to share with you is based on proven real-world success in all sorts of different markets. And there are so many stories of other people in markets like health and wellness, business, coaching, art, music, calligraphy, dog training, hairstyling, and so many more. But what's beautiful about these stories is not only what this shift has done for their business, but what it's done for their life. These are real people, life-changing results, and a ripple effect that has a far greater impact on the people and causes that they care about. Collectively, our tribe community has been able to impact millions of people around the world. From eating healthier to managing money, training pets, becoming better musicians, the strategies I'm going to share are universal regardless of what market you're in. Tribe works. So if you're an established expert and you want to generate more passive income, or you're an influencer who has a large following that you want to transition into a thriving business, you'll discover why a subtle shift towards a membership-based business means big-hearted, freedom-loving entrepreneurs like you and me can make more money, contribute in a much bigger way, and all while creating more freedom to do the things and be with the people that we love. So let's get started and let's dive into why people join a membership and what you should provide inside a membership to create an amazing experience that keeps people coming back month after month after month. Let's go!